Very good. Hmm. Super. Very good.
These are tomatoes. These are red color. This is shop.
Vegetables. Very good. Very good. Hmm. It is a fruit. Very good.
These are these green color. These are vegetables.
Very good.
These are ladies' finger. This is a green color.
Very good. Is it vegetable or fruit? Vegetable or fruit, Amma? Vegetable. Capsicum. It is a vegetable. Very good. Vegetable or fruit? It is a vegetable. Very good.
This is a orange color. This is a red vegetable.
Very good.
It is fruit. It is round. It is round. It is green color.
Very good. Very good.
This is a carrot. Orange color.
It is orange in color.
Orange color.
It is a very good. It is an onion. Very good. Very good.
Chili. Green color. Green color.